How to connect Bluetooth headphones to PC. If you're wondering how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PC, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn on your Bluetooth headphones. And once you do that, click on the search bar right here and go to Bluetooth and other devices right here, the first option. Now, if your Bluetooth is not turned on, go ahead and turn it on. And if this is your first time adding your Bluetooth headphones to your PC, click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device. And since we're adding a Bluetooth device, click on Bluetooth. And then your device will be shown here. And as I have already paired it before, mine is shown right here where it says paired. And once you pair it, this is also where yours will show. And go ahead and press connect. As you can see, the Bluetooth headphone is connected. So that is how to connect Bluetooth headphones to a PC.